Welcome to On the Beat, everyone. I'm Troy Thompson. Joining me today is Will Cooper of Crowell Gillis Cooper. And today we're talking all about types of personal injury cases. Welcome to the show, my friend. Nice to see you again.
It's good to see you.
Okay, I want to talk to you about most people only think about automobile accidents, right? When discussing personal injury. What other cases are involved?
Well, I mean, and the reason people think that is the most common type of personal injury that you're involved in an automobile accident. But you got to think about it. There are slip and fall accidents. There are medical malpractice accidents, nursing home cases in which, you know, you have a family member potentially abused or not taken care of in a nursing home, dog bite cases, premises liability cases, product liability cases where you have a defective product or something goes wrong when you're operating a project and you're injured in that. And so there's a wide range of different kind of personal injury cases out there.
Can I touch on one of those that you just said? I want to talk about the elderly because I feel that we don't take care of them well enough.
Correct.
You know, when you see elderly abuse, what are the steps that one should take? I see someone I know not taking care of their parents well, and I feel it's elderly abuse. Am I allowed to report that, and how does one go about it?
Our Attorney General actually has a section in Jackson that focuses just on abusing of the elderly.
Yes.
And so you can report that to our Attorney General's office in Jackson. And there is actually an entire code section on elder abuse, and they will open up a file based on a complaint, and then they will investigate the allegations of that abuse, and we see it every day just out in the common world, out in our community.
Look, I think it's something that we should always keep our eyes open to.
That's correct.
Because sometimes our elderly loved ones can't respond.
No, you're exactly right.
Or they become too scared, especially sometimes if they're in a nursing home.
That's correct.
How does one go about reporting it in a nursing home? My mother or my grandmother is in a nursing home, and I know things aren't right. And I've brought it up to the nursing home, and nothing has changed months later.
Well, you hit on something. The number one thing that you can do, and this is in both a hospital setting and a nursing home, is be attentive to that parent or that grandparent. In other words, be there for them where you can see what is going on.
Yep.
And the thing is, just your presence alone, whether it's during a hospitalization or while they're in the nursing home, your presence alone will make them make sure they get that additional care they need. And that requires a child or, someone there to kind of monitor that situation. But when that does occur, when something occurs, you go straight to the director and you complain at that point. And then, like I said, if it rises to the level of negligence, where they have breached their standard of care, then you probably need to seek the advice of an attorney and get something started.
Someone like you, my friend. Now, what sort of proof is needed? I would assume a good journal, making sure you're writing down what's going on a daily or weekly basis.
That's right. And what we commonly see, you see bed sores. They're not turning grandmother enough, or they're not getting her up out of the bed in a chair, or they're allowing her to where she
not eating properly,
or she may urinate on herself in a diaper and then they don't change it regularly. That'll break down skin very quickly and cause a bed sore. So you need to look for those kind of signs.
I know we got off track, but I just felt it was such an important topic to discuss.
Very important topic.
Thank you, Will. We really appreciate you.
Thank you.
If you want to find out more information, there it all is up on the screen for you. I've been chatting away with Will Cooper of Crowell Gillis Cooper. Back after this short break.